Before we begin, it's important to understand why line spacing matters. Many Wix users overlook this feature, but proper spacing can dramatically improve readability, user experience, and even the professional feel of your website. So in today's tutorial, I'll not only walk you through the steps, but also share insights on choosing spacing that fits your brand style and layout. Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the line spacing on your Wix webpage design. To enhance its overall readability and aesthetic appeal, you might want to begin by accessing the Wix website editor, which can be done quite easily from your account dashboard. Before continuing, keep in mind that line spacing affects how users absorb your content. Tight spacing can make text feel crowded, while generous spacing can make it easier to read, especially on mobile devices. In order to do this, find the option labeled Edit Site and give it a quick click. If done correctly, this will immediately bring you into the back end of your specified site where all the magic happens. Next, determine which text you'd like to modify for this exercise. Now, this could be any text box present on your site. Go ahead, click on it. The area of your choice will be encapsulated by a boundary, indicating that this particular section is currently active and open for editing. However, in certain scenarios, you might find the need to edit specific text within the open box. To do this, we will have to double-click the required area. This additional action will subsequently launch an even more detailed set of text editing tools, allowing you to perfect your textural content down to the letter. At this stage, it's useful to preview how your text looks on both desktop and mobile. What appears balanced on a large screen can sometimes appear too tight or too spread out on smartphones. Following this, we need to navigate towards the Settings panel exclusive to text designing in the Wix editor. For this, you have a couple of routes you can take. First, there's a pretty straightforward Change Design button that can be found for each web page element. Clicking this will do the trick. Alternatively, you can search for the panel titled Text Settings. Depending on which version of the Wix editor you're working on, you might have to take an extra step and scroll down within the panel to get where we're headed. By now, you should have stumbled upon an option called line spacing. That's precisely what we're looking for. Upon locating, proceed by clicking on the drop-down menu associated with this option. Here you will find the option to switch to custom line spacing. This allows you to move away from the preset values and lets you take full control over the spacing factor. Feel free to manually adjust the line spacing to cater to your design needs. Now, to further personalize your line spacing, grab the slider presented in front and move it to desired positions, or directly enter a numerical value that reflects the precise degree of separation you have in mind. This could be an increase to bring more breathing space or a decrease to compact lines together. If your website uses long paragraphs, slightly increasing the spacing can improve engagement. For minimalistic or modern designs, tighter spacing often fits better. Always match your spacing with your website's personality. Finally, to apply all these changes you have meticulously worked on, click outside the text box. This action is what confirms all changes and securely applies them to your selected text. That's it. You've successfully manipulated and set a new line spacing for your Wix site's text. See how such a simple feature can immensely improve the harmony of your web page content. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment. And remember that there's always room for refinement. To wrap up, once you're satisfied with your spacing choices, preview your entire website before publishing. Small adjustments can make a big difference, especially when visitors are reading your content on different devices. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for more Wix tips, and comment below if you want me to cover letter spacing, text themes, mobile formatting, or full site typography tutorials next.